What's happening, it's your boy TechTricks back in another video, and today I want to ask you if you are looking for a metal foldable tripod. I think this one by Ulanzi might do you pretty good. So here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit the notification bell so you can notify on these videos to come with tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out merch below at 130.ca. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Today we're gonna fit it with our Panasonic G9 and see how well it does. So here we go. Packaging here is really good. Let's put that right there. Some literature right there. There's 3 Allen keys right there for adjusting, I'm guessing. And then the actual tripod here. Now, to be honest with you, this is really hefty, quite heavy. Put those on the side for now. So here it is, the bottom here, all metal. This part is rubbery right there. Very nice touch there by Ulanzi. Right here as well is brushed metal, everything there, all premium quality there. Very cool. This one can be turned as well. Horseshoe mount there. Here is brushed metal there as well. Everything is metal. This one won't scratch your camera as well because it's rubberized right there. This one is a very smooth feel right there. Very nice. Now to open it up, all you need to do is that. There you go. Boom. And then this part right here, just twist like so. And then it'll be a tripod. There you go. Now on top here, you can level it out or you even put it like that for portrait mode. There you go. Now let's go ahead and put our Panasonic G9 on that. Now if you want your camera, all you need to do is grab this part right here, like so. Pretty quick there. You're just gonna take this and you're gonna mount this on the bottom of your camera like so. Now once you're in that, you're gonna take one of the Allen keys that is provided in the box and you're just gonna tighten it. There we go. If your camera doesn't have that flippy screen on the back there, then you can put this clip right onto your camera right here. But because we have it, we're not gonna put it right there. Just gonna leave it like that. There we go. Once it's all tight, all you need to do is just put it on the back of this. There we go. Nice and easy now, like so. And then you're just gonna twist this and be good to go. There we go. Really easy. Now, like I said, right here, there's a bunch of numbers. So you could turn this, and then if you're ready to go, you can also just tighten this up so that it won't move. Now, for example, you want to use a light. You can also just mount that like there, like so. And then tighten this up. There we go. And you could point this up or down, wherever you need to. There we go. For here, you can extend this by loosening this, and then bringing this up. As you can see there, it's carbon fiber middle there. Carbon fiber design. Very nice. And then there you go. All good to go. And then if you're going around, all you need to do is just pull this down. Like so. There you go. And then you'll be able to bring your camera like that. Let's twist this down right here so that it's more of a selfie stick. Then twist this over like so, and then you'll be good to go. As you can see, it has no problem carrying that heavy camera right there. Even the bottom there, as I'm holding it, very nice. The bottom here as well is another tripod mounter. So if you want to like extend that or you want to put it on a different tripod, you can put that there as well. And that's it for the day, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a metal tripod mount for your Panasonic G9 or any mirrorless cameras. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Definitely this is recommended because it's heavy duty. And for those of you who are looking for a tripod that is foldable and basically very versatile for everything that you do, for all the creatives out there, this is the one for you. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.